Dad was ordered to pay $650 a month in child support. About a month later, he lost his job. As a matter of fact, the company he worked for went bankrupt and everybody lost their job. It wasn't his fault. He didn't do anything to lose his job. It was the company's fault. Well, he immediately went back to the court clerk's office and filed a petition to modify the child support that had been set just 30 days earlier. And he put in the petition that he lost his job through no fault of his own. Well, when the case was called for court about 2 months later, the other lawyer stood up and objected and told the judge basically that he should have to wait a year before he came back into court. The judge said, no, that's ridiculous. He lost his job through no fault of his own. As a matter of fact, that judge tells every litigant in court before court begins that if anything happens, whether they're in a wreck, they lose their job, whatever happens to cause them to not be able to pay child support, they better come down immediately and file a petition. This man did exactly that. He did the right thing. Now the court can adjust child support accordingly. What the court did in this case is set a temporary order of child support where Dad was making basically minimum wage, and then reset it for about 6 months out to see if Dad had gotten a job. Hopefully he will. Hopefully he'll be making money again and he can pay child support and support himself and his family. But until then, he's still going to have to pay child support, just at a much lower rate. He did the right thing in that case.